Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a quick text message in a Salesforce task to help you save time and streamline communication. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box, type Quick Text Settings and click on it. Make sure the Enable Quick Text option is checked. If it's not enabled, you won't be able to use Quick Text in tasks. Now, go to the app launcher and search for Quick Text. Click on it to open the Quick Text Management area. Click New Quick Text to start creating your message. Enter a descriptive name and the message content you want to reuse. You can also include merge fields to personalize the message automatically. Specify where the quick text should be available. Make sure to include tasks. Once everything looks good, click Save to store your quick text. And that's it. You've successfully created a quick text message in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.